Now here I have a painting that I need to pack for shipping. So what I like to do, I suppose I could just wrap it with bubble wrap, put it in a box, but I've gotten into the habit of wrapping it so that I have a layer of foam board across the top and the back, and I also add some on the sides. This way I know that it's just a little bit more protected, so that something's not going to poke through the bubble wrap onto the glass. So the first thing I do is I cut a piece of foam board for the front and the back. Okay, so there's the front and the back. And I'm going to cut some side pieces, just like here, just so I can get the corners like this. Protect those also. Just tape all of these around the corners. Another thing I do is I put the title on the top. This is Violet. That way, just in case I'm doing more than one of these at a time, I don't get the artwork mixed up. That also lets me know after I've boxed it what the top is. So this is the top, this is the back. And there we go. Now I'll take it in the house, bubble wrap it, box it up. Okay, I'm going to show you how I finished packaging framed painting for shipping, and I'm going to wrap this up and put it in a box, and I'm going to show you how I do that. First, I like to put on a little package for the client. This has my bio and a couple of business cards and a personal note in here, and I just tape it onto the front like this. Then I'm going to wrap this in bubble wrap and make my own box for it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to make a box out of a piece of cardboard, because one of the things about shipping charges is you want to make sure your box size measurements is as small as possible while still being able to protect the painting. So you don't want to have a lot of extra packaging. With a bigger box, it's just going to charge you more to ship it. Okay, what you want to do is you want to start with a piece of cardboard that's just about as large on each side as it is for the painting itself. So that these sides are going to come up and fold over on all four sides. So you just need about that much extra space all around. You score it and bend it on each side of the painting. So I have the painting here like this, turn it, and score on the other sides as well. There. Now the first sides that I'm going to bend up and fold over are going to have the side strips that will remain attached to the box. So what you want to do then is make your marks. I usually do is I'll just take the knife, set it down on top of my bubble wrapped painting, sideways, make a couple of little marks like that. That's going to tell me where that needs to fold in order to fall flat on the top of the painting. I'll follow those marks and make another score. There. And then I'll measure that distance. And I'll make this other side the same way. Now that you've got these 6 score marks, then you can cut off your extra pieces. You don't need these corners. They won't be in the box. Lastly, you want to cut through on these strips here, not where they're going to be attached, but where they need to separate, which is the long edges. That. You've got an actual box here. All you have to do is fold it up and tape it. Now, luckily, I folded these sides in first, and the outsides have the corrugated part running this way, which makes this really easy to fold over right there. Voila, there you have it. Now a little tip I want to give you if you want to save yourself a long line at the post office. Get yourself a little scale, a little mailing scale, and then all you have to do is weigh it, measure it, and use a shipping app like the USPS.com, or better yet, the one I use is called Pirate Ship. No kidding. PirateShip.com has great rates. Just about the same rates as PayPal has. If you've ever shipped anything through PayPal that you've sold through PayPal, they have better rates than your typical USPS.com. So I hope this video helped you.